Introduction to Loan Signing Agent Role. A loan signing agent, LSA, is a notary public who has specialized training to guide borrowers through their loan documents and ensure proper execution. LSAs are crucial in the real estate transaction process, acting as an impartial third party to facilitate the signing of mortgage and other loan documents. This role requires meticulous attention to detail, a strong understanding of various loan forms, and the ability to maintain neutrality while assisting borrowers. LSAs often work independently, managing their schedules and client appointments. Notary Public Fundamentals. Becoming a loan signing agent begins with becoming a commissioned notary public in your state. A notary public is a public officer appointed by the state to witness the signing of important documents and administer oaths. The primary duties of a notary public include verifying the identity of signers, ensuring signers understand the document they are signing, administering oaths and affirmations, certifying copies of documents. Notaries play a vital role in preventing fraud and ensuring the integrity of legal documents. Their commission grants them the authority to perform these official acts, which are recognized by law. Essential notary tools and supplies. To perform notary acts effectively, LSAs need specific tools. These include a notary stamp or seal, which imprints the notary's official information on documents, and a notary journal to record all notarizations. Other essential supplies often include a reliable pen for signatures, thumbprint ink pad for identity verification where required, a sturdy carrying case for mobile assignments, professional attire for a credible appearance. Maintaining organized and secure tools is paramount for compliance and efficiency. The notary journal, in particular, is a critical record and must be kept safe and accessible for legal purposes. Understanding the notary journal. The notary journal is a chronological record of all official acts performed by a notary public. It serves as a crucial legal document, providing evidence of notarizations and protecting both the notary and the public. Key information to record in the journal includes date and time of notarization, type of notarial act performed, description of the document, signer's name, address, and signature, method of identity verification, thumbprint of the signer, if required by state law. Maintaining a detailed and accurate journal is not only a legal requirement in many states, but also a best practice for professional notaries. It helps in recalling past transactions and can be vital in legal disputes. Common loan document types. Loan signing agents primarily handle mortgage loan documents, which can vary significantly based on the type of loan and lender. Common types include purchase loans, refinances, reverse mortgages, and home equity lines of credit, HELOCs. Each loan type has a distinct set of documents, though many forms are standard across different transactions. Understanding these variations is crucial for an LSA to guide borrowers effectively. Familiarity with the purpose and general content of documents, like the promissory note, deed of trust/mortgage, and the closing disclosure, is fundamental. LSAs must know where key information is located within these documents. Key sections: promissory note and deed. The promissory note is the borrower's promise to repay the loan. It outlines the loan amount, interest rate, payment schedule, and terms of repayment. This is one of the most critical documents in a loan package. The deed of trust, or mortgage, depending on the state, is the document that pledges the property as collateral for the loan. It grants the lender a security interest in the property, allowing for foreclosure if the borrower defaults. LSAs must be able to identify these documents quickly and explain their fundamental purpose to the signers without offering legal advice. They ensure all required signatures and dates are correctly placed. Understanding the closing disclosure. The closing disclosure, CD, is a 5-page form that provides final details about the mortgage loan. It includes the loan terms, projected payments, and the closing costs associated with the transaction. Borrowers must receive the CD at least 3 business days before closing, allowing them time to review and compare it with their loan estimate. LSAs often help borrowers navigate this complex document. It is crucial for LSAs to understand the layout and purpose of each section of the CD, although they are not permitted to explain the financial implications or offer advice. Their role is to facilitate understanding and ensure proper signing. Other important disclosures beyond the core documents. Loan packages contain numerous disclosures designed to inform borrowers of their rights, responsibilities, and specific terms. These can include the Notice of Right to Cancel, affidavits, and various state-specific disclosures. A Notice of Right to Cancel is particularly important for refinance transactions, granting borrowers a 3-day period to rescind the loan after signing. LSAs must ensure this document is correctly signed and dated. Affidavits are sworn statements of fact, and LSAs must verify the signer's identity and witness their signature on these. Each disclosure serves a specific legal purpose, and the LSA's role is to ensure proper execution. Preparing for a loan signing. Effective preparation is key to a successful loan signing appointment. This includes thoroughly reviewing the loan package, ensuring all documents are present and correctly printed, and confirming appointment details with the signing service or lender. LSAs must also prepare their notary tools, including their stamp, journal, and any required ink pads, ensuring they are in good working order. It's advisable to have backup supplies readily available. Logistical preparation involves confirming the signing location, planning the route, and accounting for travel time. A professional appearance and a calm demeanor are also part of being ready for the appointment. Conducting the signing appointment. Upon arrival, the LSA should establish a professional and welcoming atmosphere. Begin by verifying the identity of all signers using acceptable forms of identification, ensuring they match the names on the documents. Guide the signers through the loan package, explaining the purpose of each document without offering legal advice or interpreting terms. Maintain neutrality and allow borrowers to ask questions, directing them to the lender if necessary. Ensure all required signatures, initials, and dates are correctly placed. Pay meticulous attention to detail, checking for completeness and accuracy before concluding the appointment. A calm and patient approach is essential. Explaining key documents. While LSAs cannot provide legal advice, they are expected to explain the general purpose of each document within the loan package. This helps borrowers feel comfortable and informed about what they are signing. Focus on identifying the document title, its general function, and where the borrower needs to sign initial or date. For example, explain that the promissory note is the I promise to pay document. If the borrower has specific questions about the loan terms or financial implications, the LSA must direct them to contact their lender or loan officer. Maintaining strict boundaries is crucial to avoid unauthorized practice of law. Proper notarization techniques. Accurate notarization is fundamental to the LSA's role. This involves correctly completing the notarial certificate, applying the notary stamp or seal clearly, and ensuring all required information is present. Key elements of a proper notarization include verifying the signer's identity, witnessing the signature, completing the notarial certificate, acknowledgement or jurat, affixing the notary seal/stamp, recording the act in the notary journal. Any errors in notarization can invalidate documents or lead to legal issues. LSAs must be meticulous and follow their state's specific notary laws for each act, ensuring every detail is correct. State notary laws and regulations. Notary public commissions are governed by state-specific laws and regulations. These laws dictate the notary's duties, authorized acts, fees, journal requirements, and acceptable forms of identification. It is the LSA's responsibility to stay updated on their state's notary statutes and administrative rules. Ignorance of the law is not an excuse for non-compliance and can lead to severe penalties. Many states require specific training or exams for notary publics, and some have additional requirements for loan signing agents. Continuous education and adherence to state guidelines are paramount. Ethical conduct and best practices. Maintaining the highest ethical standards is crucial for a loan signing agent. This includes impartiality, honesty, integrity, and avoiding any conflict of interest. Best practices for LSAs involve never providing legal advice, maintaining strict confidentiality of borrower information, refusing to notarize if identity is questionable or signer is unwilling, being punctual and professional at all times, accurately representing one's qualifications and services. Ethical breaches can lead to loss of commission, fines, and damage to reputation. Upholding these principles builds trust and ensures the integrity of the loan signing process. Avoiding unauthorized practice of law. A critical boundary for LSAs is avoiding the unauthorized practice of law, UPL. This means not providing legal advice, interpreting legal documents, or drafting legal forms. LSAs must clearly state that they are not attorneys and cannot offer legal counsel. Their role is strictly ministerial, to witness signatures, verify identity, and ensure proper execution of documents. If a signer asks for legal interpretation or advice, the LSA must politely but firmly direct them to contact their lender, attorney, or a qualified legal professional. Maintaining this distinction protects both the LSA and the public. Data privacy and security. Loan signing agents handle highly sensitive personal and financial information. Protecting this data is not only an ethical obligation, but also a legal requirement under various privacy laws. Best practices for data security include using secure encrypted communication channels, storing physical documents in locked, fireproof containers, shredding sensitive documents after use, using strong passwords and multi-factor authentication for digital files, avoiding public Wi-Fi for sensitive tasks. A data breach can have severe consequences, including identity theft for borrowers and significant legal liabilities for the LSA. Implementing robust security measures is paramount for client trust and compliance. Setting up your LSA business. Establishing your loan signing agent business involves several key steps beyond just getting commissioned. This includes choosing a business structure, obtaining necessary insurance, and setting up financial accounts. Consider forming an LLC or sole proprietorship and secure errors and omissions (E&O) insurance, which is vital for protecting yourself against potential claims. A separate business bank account is also essential for financial clarity. Develop the professional business name, logo, and contact information. Create a dedicated workspace and ensure you have all the necessary equipment, from a reliable printer to a professional attire. Marketing and client acquisition. Effective marketing is crucial for attracting clients as a loan signing agent. This involves identifying your target audience, creating a strong online presence, and networking within the real estate and lending industries. Strategies include building a professional website, optimizing your online profiles, for example, Google My Business, notary directories, networking with title companies, lenders, and real estate agents, utilizing social media for professional outreach, attending industry events and trade shows. Word-of-mouth referrals are powerful, so consistently provide excellent service to encourage repeat business and positive recommendations. Persistence and professionalism are key to growth. Fee structures and invoicing. Establishing a clear and competitive fee structure is essential for profitability. Fees for loan signings typically vary based on location, loan complexity, and whether travel is involved. Common fee considerations include base signing fee per package, travel fees, mileage or flat rate, printing fees per page or flat rate, additional fees for specific services, e.g. faxbacks, scanbacks. Professional invoicing ensures timely payment and maintains clear financial records. Utilize accounting software or templates to generate detailed invoices that include all services rendered and applicable fees. Common signing challenges. Loan signings can present various challenges, from incomplete documents to uncooperative signers or unexpected delays. Being prepared for these situations is vital for an LSA. Common challenges include missing pages or documents in the package, incorrect information on loan documents, signers lacking proper identification, borrowers asking for legal advice, signers being late or not present. LSAs must remain calm and professional when encountering challenges. The ability to troubleshoot effectively and communicate clearly with the signing service or lender is paramount. Handling errors and rescissions. Despite careful attention, errors can occur during a loan signing. LSAs must know how to properly handle corrections, which often involve contacting the signing service or lender for instructions. Common error scenarios include missed signatures or initials, incorrect dates, notarial certificate errors, documents signed in the wrong place. For refinance transactions, borrowers have a right of rescission, typically 3 business days, to cancel the loan. LSAs must understand this process and ensure all related documents are correctly executed and dated to start the rescission period. Dealing with uncooperative signers. Occasionally, LSAs may encounter signers who are uncooperative, confused, or unwilling to proceed. Maintaining professionalism and patience is paramount in these situations. Strategies for handling uncooperative signers include remaining calm and empathetic, reiterating the LSA's role, no legal advice, directing questions to the lender, documenting the situation thoroughly in the journal, knowing when to terminate the signing if necessary. If a signer is unwilling or unable to sign, or if their identity cannot be verified, the LSA must refuse to notarize and inform the signing service or lender immediately. Prioritizing compliance and safety is essential. Digital tools for LSAs. Modern loan signing agents increasingly leverage digital tools to enhance efficiency and professionalism. These tools can streamline scheduling, document management, and communication. Useful digital tools include online scheduling platforms, secure cloud storage for business documents, non-sensitive client data, mobile scanning applications, GPS navigation apps for travel, professional email and communication platforms. Embracing technology can significantly improve workflow, reduce administrative burden, and provide a more seamless experience for both the LSA and their clients. However, data security must always be a priority. E-notarization and remote online notarization, RON. The landscape of notarization is evolving with the advent of e-notarization and remote online notarization, RON. E-notarization involves notarizing digital documents with electronic signatures. Remote online notarization, RON, takes this a step further, allowing a notary to perform a notarial act for a signer located remotely via audio-visual technology. This requires specific state authorization and approved platforms. Becoming proficient in RON can expand an LSA's reach and service offerings, but it demands adherence to strict technological and legal requirements. Training and certification on approved platforms are essential. Certification and continued education. While a notary commission is the baseline, becoming a certified loan signing agent often involves completing specialized training programs and passing industry-recognized exams. This certification demonstrates expertise. Continued education is vital for staying current with evolving loan documents, state notary laws, and industry best practices. Regular training ensures LSAs remain competent and compliant. Many organizations offer advanced courses and certifications that can enhance an LSA's credibility and marketability. Investing in ongoing learning is an investment in your career longevity and success. Building your LSA career. Building a successful loan signing agent career requires dedication, continuous learning, and strategic business development. Focus on delivering exceptional service to build a strong reputation and client base. Key aspects of career building include networking consistently within the industry, seeking feedback and improving services, diversifying service offerings, for example, general notary work, RON, managing finances effectively, maintaining professional affiliations. The LSA profession offers flexibility and significant earning potential for those committed to excellence. By continuously refining your skills and business acumen, you can achieve long-term success.